Hey, everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low security level issue on Bybit. If your Bybit account is showing a low security level, here's how you can improve it step by step. First, open the Bybit app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. Then, tap the settings icon, the J icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, select security. Once inside, scroll down to find different security options. If your security level is low, you'll want to enable one of these options. As an example, I'll demonstrate enabling Two-Factor Authentication, 2FA. Toggle it on, and a verification code will be sent to your email. Check your email, enter the code, and click Continue. You'll then receive a key. Copy this key. Next, download Google Authenticator from the App Store or Play Store. Open the app, tap the plus icon, and select Enter a setup key. Paste the key and give it a name, e.g., Bybit. Then tap Add. Use the 6-digit code it generates and enter it back in the Bybit app to complete the setup. This will raise your security level to medium. To increase it to maximum, you can also enable Passkey. Go back to Security Settings, tap Add Passkey, and follow the prompts. Enter your account password, verify with a code sent to your email, and a second code from Google Authenticator. You'll then be able to enable Passkey using Face ID or fingerprint authentication. After completing these steps, your account's security level should rise. If it doesn't update instantly, give it a few minutes. Your account will now be much safer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe.